It's too hot outside to live, so we're making Southern iced tea. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. In this episode of Quick Tips, we're going to learn how to make Southern iced tea, and it really is simple. So you'll need half a gallon of water boiling in a large pot. By the way, these are both gallon pitchers. So half a gallon would be half of either pitcher. That's how much water you want in your pan. Now that your water is boiling, you will need 3 family-sized tea bags. We like the loosey end because they're not wrapped up. Very convenient. Now I kind of bob it around for a second till the tea bags get waterlogged. I drag them around a little bit. Then you have to do what's called steeping. So you can just take a plate, put it on top of your pan, leave so much room, and let the steam come out. That's called steeping. Tea boxes say steep for 3 to 5 minutes. But I have found that 10 minutes is even better. So just let it sit for 10 minutes. It has been 10 minutes, and so now we're ready to pour up the tea. You take your plate off, let the condensation drip off. Now sweetness is a personal taste. We don't like our tea very sweet, which may be the opposite of Southern tea, but we go for 3/4 of a cup of sugar in 1 gallon. We don't mess with those little half-gallon pitchers. That's not worth my time. Grab your 3 tea bags and put them over in your pitcher. Push them on the side to get the best bit out. Now the old wife would say, "Oh, that's going to make it bitter." No, it's not. Been doing it for years. Makes good tea. Now, I usually do this over the sink because it can spill a little bit, but just pour your tea right in and get your slotted wooden spoon. Stir it up, and then you have roughly half a gallon of cold filtered water, and you just pour it right in, right up to your spout. Stir it carefully so it doesn't come out your spout. That's it, you're done. You can put this in your refrigerator. It won't sour because your cold water cooled it down enough. And the iced tea part comes, you put the ice in your glass, and you pour. What could be easier? If you like this quick tip for how to make Southern iced tea, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below and tell me how sweet do you like your tea. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. It's tea time.